The dispute between the government and doctors is further heating up over the issue of how the authorities came up with the number of new students for its medical school quota expansion plan, with the case being taken to court. Ahn Sung-jin has the latest.
With the Seoul High Court set to rule this week on whether the medical school quota has to be enforced, the medical community disclosed to the public on Monday the evidence submitted by the government to the court. The government last week submitted approximately 50 items of documented evidence to support its decision to increase the quota. This included research reports which were used as a basis for the quota number, as well as meeting records from the Medical School Quota Allocation Committee. The medical community is arguing that the meeting to make the decision was too brief, lasting just an hour, and was nothing more than a formal act to confirm the number brought by the government. This was further elaborated during a press conference held on Monday afternoon as the chairman of the Medical Professor Association of Korea, Kim Chang-soo, expressed his shock as there were no more than 3 reports used to back the government's position. The Medical Professor Association of Korea and the Korean Academy of Medical Sciences argue that after evaluating the documented evidence, there is not enough evidence to support the medical school quota expansion to 2,000. However, the government reiterates that the number was finalized after various discussions. The Prime Minister elaborated on this during a Central Disaster and Safety Countermeasure Headquarters meeting on Monday.
Revealing evidence is interfering with a fair trial to pressure the judiciary by swaying the public opinion. The government decided to increase the quota number based on research that there would be a shortage of nearly 10,000 doctors in 2035.
This comes as medical students, professors, and trainee doctors filed an application with the Seoul High Court to suspend the enforcement of the quota expansion. After reviewing the submitted materials, the Seoul High Court will make its decision by the 17th. This decision will be pivotal in the conflict between the medical school and the government. If the application is accepted, it will put the brakes on the increase for next year. Ahn Sung-jin, Arirang News.